sis, how are you? Your sis is here, so no fear. Today I'm going to show you my favorite mask, and that is DIY turmeric face mask. And you know that I love to put on that mask because it's a very useful and great mask. This mask, it's actually turmeric is actually a spice, but it's one of those spices that's like a miracle work, and it does and fixes everything. So turmeric mask, this mask that I'm going to show you, it will tighten up your pores and it will like help you with acne, eczema. It reduces redness, inflammation, and also helps your dark circles or helps with facial hair, anti-aging, wrinkles. So literally it's a miracle powder, and it does everything for that, and this mask is going to help you a lot. So what I'm going to share with you, you have to learn that, and you need to do it once a week. You can do it or twice, it depends on you, but make sure that the turmeric is like a yellowish powder and it gives a stain on your face. But don't worry, within 1 or 2 washes it will come up, and don't worry about that, the stain will come up. It's not for permanent, okay? So if you have like nails you're worried about, you can wear gloves, as I don't have any nails, so I won't be worried about that. So without further delay, let's go and I'll show you what ingredients we need for that. So guys, these are the ingredients. It's very simple. You just need 1 spoon of this turmeric powder. As you can see, it's yellow in color. It's already staining my okay. Now we move into the rice flour, and this is the rice flour. You can grind your own rice to make the rice flour. You can buy it from the grocery store, it depends on you. And this is the milk. We use it according to need the consistency, like how we need it. So these are the 3 things that we need to mix in order to make a miracle face mask. So let's go and do it. So this is 1 like tablespoon, and we're going to put it inside our mixing bowl. And now we're going to take our rice flour. It's also the same consistency, and we're going to mix it with this. Okay, both of these things are here. Now we're going to use our like milk to just see how is the consistency. Okay, so now we're going to mix it. So as you can see that I'm mixing it, and it's like the consistency is okay. And if you want a little bit less, like more liquidy, then I'm gonna put a little bit of this and I'm gonna mix it. Okay guys, now you can see this consistency is like this, and it's all mixed. So now I am going to put it on my face. So let's go and do it. I'm going to use a brush. So you can use like if you're wearing gloves, you can use your fingers also, but I'm going to use a brush. So as you can see, I'm just putting it with my brush like this. You have to put it all over your face. So as you can see, I'm just putting it over here, and all, be careful about your eyes, and in the middle. Okay guys, as you can see, all of my face is covered, and as you can see that I covered all my face, not my eyes. This area is very delicate, so I just kept it like this. So you need to do it like this. Now you have to wait until it dry. You don't need to remove that, you just have to wait until it dry. Usually it takes about like 20-25 minutes, so you have to wait for that. So I'll go and see you after 25 minutes. Sis, can you see it's already dry, and you can see it's like a powder, and my face is like really stretchy. As you can see the marks here and here and everywhere. So now I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna talk to you. Okay sis, I washed my face, and you can see it is so soft, it's so shiny, and it feels so clean, as you can see. But I don't have that much stain, as I washed like 2 times, 3 times, so it's gone. So sis, did you learn something new? If yes, then do let me know in your comments below. And do subscribe and like my channel, as I want to reach as many brothers and sisters as I can. So this mask, you need to put it like for 2 to 3 times in a week, and it will give you a miracle result. Please do let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Do watch this video, as I handpicked this for you. So I see you in my next video.